In this video, you'll learn how to get the Outlook QR code for your Authenticator app in just a few minutes, so you can secure your account with two-factor authentication. First, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account, then click on the Security tab in the top menu. This is where you'll manage all your account security settings. Next, click on Advanced Security Options. Scroll down to the two-step verification section and click Set up two-step verification to start the process. Microsoft will guide you through every step of the setup. Now, choose to verify with an Authenticator app. Microsoft will generate a QR code on your screen. Make sure your Authenticator app, like Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or Authy, is already installed on your phone. After that, open your Authenticator app and select Add Account or the plus icon. Choose Other Account or Work Account, then scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen using your phone's camera. Once scanned, your Authenticator app will start generating 6-digit codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Use the latest code in Microsoft's setup screen to confirm and complete the two-step verification setup successfully. And that's it. Your Outlook account is now secured with an Authenticator app, and your data stays safe.